Embedding a Mailchimp sign-up form in WordPress helps you grow your email list by capturing new subscribers directly from your website. Here's how to do it. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Create a sign-up form. Go to the Audience tab and select the audience you want to create the form for. Click on Sign Up Forms and choose Embedded Forms. Customize the form. In the Embedded Forms section, choose the type of form you want. Customize the form's fields and appearance as needed. Copy the generated HTML code provided by Mailchimp. Log into WordPress. Open your WordPress dashboard. Add the form to a page or post. Navigate to the page or post where you want to embed the form. Switch to the HTML or text editor view in the WordPress editor. Paste the copied Mailchimp HTML code into the editor. Add the form to a widget area. If you want to place the form in a widget area, go to Appearance, Widgets. Drag a custom HTML widget to your desired widget area. Paste the Mailchimp HTML code into the widget and save. Preview and publish. Preview the page or widget to ensure the form displays correctly. Publish or update the page or post or widget area.